Merry Christmas. Today we are going to look at House Taste Mutton Biryani. Subscribe my channel. Thank you. Onion 700 gram, tomato 700 gram, green chilies 10, small onion paste 75 gram, ginger paste 150 gram, garlic paste 150 gram, mint coriander leaves paste 2 handful, lemon 2, curd 150 ml, garam masala powder 2 tablespoon, red chilli powder 4 tablespoon, jeera samba biryani rice 2 kg, mutton 2 kg, oil 350 ml, ghee 4 tablespoon. Put the pan in the oven, pour oil, and when it dries add the green chilies until golden color. Add onion golden brown color. Sauteed the tomatoes. Add ginger, garlic and small onion paste. Sauteed well. Add garam masala powder. Add coriander, mint leaves paste. Add red chilli powder and crystal salt. Add salt and chilli powder add to soaked meat. Add curd and salt on medium heat. Add lemon juice. Keep covered till the oil separates. Add required amount of water to the rice. When it boils well, add the rice. Stir well and keep covered for 10 minutes. Add the ghee and keep the oven on low for 20 minutes. Delicious mutton biryani is ready.